How to set up Google Local Service ads easily. Welcome to today's video, where we'll walk you through setting up Google Local Service ads with ease. This guide will help you reach local customers more effectively and drive more leads for your business. Let's get started. First, check if your business qualifies for local service ads by visiting the Google Local Service Ads page. There's a list of eligible professions available in selected areas. If you qualify, proceed by signing in with your Google account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to provide basic information about your business, such as your company's name, address, phone number, and the services you offer. Be sure to fill in all fields accurately. This information will influence how your ads appear, so attention to detail is crucial. After filling out the basics, complete the background check process. Google requires this to ensure trustworthiness and safety. Depending on your region and industry, additional documents may be needed, such as proof of insurance or business licenses. The next step is to set up your budget. Google Local Service ads use a pay-per-lead model, meaning you only pay when a customer contacts you through the ad. Set your weekly budget based on your business goals and financial capacity, always keeping in mind that the intent is to drive more local leads. Now, it's time to create your ad. Focus on writing a compelling, clear message that highlights your services, expertise, and any special offers. High-quality images can also make your ad stand out, so upload any relevant visuals. Finally, review your ad details and settings before submitting everything for approval. Google will check your ad to ensure it meets their guidelines, and once approved, it will go live and start reaching local customers.